Bookkeeping and Accountancy Standard 12. Chapter number 10, Computer in Accounting. Today we are going to learn about creation of accounting documents. Computerized accounting system are software programs which helps to store data or information in the accounting system. In accounting software, generally following components are used, that is, creation of accounting documents. Computer software helps in creating different accounting documents like cash memo, voucher, receipts, etc. As it is connected via computer network server, remote access device with internet. Next one, recording of transactions. Computerized accounting software are used to record day-to-day business transactions. Appropriate grouping of account is required to be done in computerized accounting system. Normally, ledger accounts are classified under groups like asset, liabilities, income and expenditure. As per requirement, these groups are further divided into subgroups as per convenience of the user. Next one, preparation of trial balance and financial statement. After recording the transaction, the data is automatically transferred into ledger through the software. Vouchers are prepared on the basis of data recorded into the computer. Trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet is automatically prepared. A firm prepares various reports and statements with the help of computerized accounting system. As for find out output, we have to just input the data first. After that data will be proceed. Then finally we will get the output. So input means input represents data from source document such as sales receipts, bank deposit slip, purchase order, etc. In processing, computerized accounting system require that data input be arranged in specific formats. Transaction with missing date, account number or other critical information are not accepted by the system. Then output are the reports generated for decision making. These may be like statement of debtors, inventory, trial balance, creditors, income statement of balance sheet and so on. A computerized accounting system helps to implement accounting process and make it user friendly. Computerized accounting system generates real-time information for quick decision. All the business operations are easy and cost effective and it helps to save time. So these are the components which are used in creation of accounting documents. Thank you.